Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to mark a booking as checked in or checked out. After the booking is confirmed, you can mark it as checked in when the customer arrives. You can add the check-in date and time. You can also add room services and edit guest details. After checking out, you can generate the final invoice. How to mark a booking as checked in. To begin, head to Bookings under Bookings tab. From the calendar, select the customer booking. Click on Mark As, and select Checked In. Now enter the check-in date and time. Click on Update, and you are done. How to add room services. To add room services, go to Bookings. From the calendar, select the customer booking. Click on Add Item. Enter the necessary details, including item name and quantity. Now, to save the room service, click on Add Item. How to edit guest details. To edit the guest details, click on Guest Details. Choose the guest that you want to edit. Now click on the Edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Add Guest. How to mark a booking as checked out. Now, to mark a booking as checked out, go to Bookings. From the calendar, select the customer booking. Click on Mark As and select Checked Out. Now enter the checkout date and time. Click on Update. Now select Update Booking. And you are done. How to generate an invoice. To generate an invoice, go to Bookings. From the calendar, select the customer booking. Click on Actions and select Generate Invoice. Choose the printer and click on Print. Thank you for watching.